morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a new chapter from our Mridang book of class 2. The chapter name is Seeing Without Seeing. Let us read.
Let us read.
Little Onsangla
Little Onsangla
returned from the school.
returned from the school.
She opened the door quietly.
She opened the door quietly.
She kept her bag
She kept her bag
on the table quietly.
on the table quietly.
Her mother looked at her.
Her mother looked at her.
Onsangla, you are very quiet today,
Onsangla, you are very quiet today,
said Ava.
said Ava.
Did anything happen in the school?
Did anything happen in the school?
Yes, Ava,
Yes, Ava,
said Onsangla.
said Onsangla.
A new boy came to our school.
A new boy came to our school.
He sits in our class.
He sits in our class.
Yes,
Yes,
said Ava,
said Ava.
listening to Onsangla
Listening to Onsangla
and placing biscuits and milk
and placing biscuits and milk
on the table.
on the table.
The teacher helped him sit in the front desk,
The teacher helped him sit in the front desk,
said Onsangla.
said Onsangla.
He wears black glasses.
He wears black glasses.
He cannot see.
He cannot see.
He will come every day.
He will come every day.
How will he do things?
How will he do things?
Finish your biscuits and milk,
Finish your biscuits and milk,
said Ava.
said Ava.
Then we will play a new game.
Then we will play a new game.
Yes, let us play,
Yes, let us play,
said Onsangla.
said Onsangla.
She tied a scarf
She tied a scarf
over Onsangla's eyes.
over Onsangla's eyes.
Now tell me,
Now tell me,
what do I hold in my hand?
what do I hold in my hand?
Said Ava.
Said Ava.
How can I?
How can I?
Asked the Onsangla.
Asked Onsangla.
My eyes are closed.
My eyes are closed.
I can't see.
I can't see.
You can find out. Said Ava.
Said Ava.
Try it. Ava had a rose in her hand.
Ava had a rose in her hand.
What do I hold?
What do I hold?
She asked.
She asked.
Onsangla touched it.
Onsangla touched it.
It is something soft.
It is something soft.
A flower.
A flower.
She said.
She said.
Yes,
Yes.
said Ava.
Said Ava.
But what flower is it?
But what flower is it?
Smell it.
Smell it.
Onsangla bent forward
Onsangla bent forward
and sniffed at it.
and sniffed at it.
It is a rose.
It is a rose.
She cried.
She cried.
Good,
Good.
said Ava.
Said Ava.
Now try another thing.
Now try another thing.
What do I hold?
What do I hold?
She held a small bell in her hand.
She had a small bell in her hand.
She shook it.
She shook it.
Trin, trin.
Tring, tring.
I know,
I know.
said Onsangla
Said Onsangla.
with joy.
With joy.
It is the bell.
It is the bell.
The small bell that gives such a musical sound.
The small bell that gives such a musical sound.
I can hear it, Ava.
I can hear it, Ava.
Onsangla took the bell
Onsangla took the bell
and shook it herself.
and shook it herself.
Smart girl,
Smart girl.
said Ava.
Said Ava.
Then Ava took a glass in her hand.
Then Ava took a glass in her hand.
What is it?
What is it?
What do I hold now?
What do I hold now?
Do you know?
Do you know?
She asked.
She asked.
Onsangla touched it.
Onsangla touched it.
It is a glass.
It is a glass.
She said.
She said.
She put one finger slightly into the glass.
She put one finger slightly into the glass.
A glass of water?
A glass of water.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Asked Ava.
Asked Ava.
It could be milk or juice.
It could be milk or juice.
Onsangla tasted it.
Onsangla tasted it.
Oh,
Oh,
she cried.
she cried.
It is not water.
It is not water.
It is orange juice.
It is orange juice.
Ava laughed.
Ava laughed.
Good girl.
Good girl.
She said.
She said.
Now I will remove the scarf.
Now I will remove the scarf.
You must tell what is in front of you.
You must tell what is in front of you.
She said.
She said.
She took off the scarf.
She took up the star.
Ansangla blinked and looked at her.
Ansangla blinked and looked at her.
It is you, Ava,
It is you, Ava.
she shouted with joy.
She shouted with joy.
I see you.
I see you.
That was a wonderful game, Ava,
That was a wonderful game, Ava.
said Ansangla.
Said Ansangla.
So Ansangla,
So Ansangla.
said Ava.
Said Ava.
If a child cannot see,
If a child cannot see,
there are other ways of finding out things.
there are other ways of finding out things.
But the child may have some difficulties.
But the child may have some difficulties.
I hope all of you will be friends
I hope all of you will be friends
with the new boy.
with the new boy.
Yes, Ava,
Yes, Ava.
said Ansangla.
Said Ansangla.
Sight words
Sight words
is from, what,
what,
on, how,
how,
and it,
it,
me, our, some, other.
other.
New words,
New words.
white,
White,
front,
front,
snip,
snip,
remove,
remove,
joy,
joy,
blink,
blink,
difficulties.
difficulties.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Sensitize children to the challenges
Sensitize children to the challenges
faced by the differently abled.
faced by the differently able.
Let us speak.
Let us speak.
Ansangla calls her mother
Sangla calls her mother
Ava.
Ava.
What is the word for mother
What is the word for mother
in your mother tongue?
in your mother tongue?
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Imagine that
Imagine that
when your eyes are closed,
when your eyes are closed,
how will you identify the following?
how would you identify the following?
Water,
Water,
flower,
flower,
any local flower,
any local flower,
sugar,
sugar,
direction of a clapping sound.
direction of a clapping sound.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Let every child say the word
Let every child say the word
for mother in their own language.
for mother in their own language.
Write all the words on the blackboard.
Write all the words on the blackboard.
Provide more practice using various objects.
Provide more practice using various objects.
Let us draw.
Let us draw.
Draw two things which you like to smell.
Draw two things which you like to smell.
Draw two things which you like to taste.
Draw two things which you like to taste.
Share what you have drawn with your friend.
Share what you have drawn with your friend.
Let us write.
Let us write.
Answer the following questions.
Answer the following questions.
1.
1.
Fill in the blanks using suitable words
Fill in the blanks using suitable words
from the boxes given below.
from the boxes given below.
Game,
Game,
milk,
milk,
white,
white,
biscuits,
biscuits,
orange,
orange,
boy.
boy.
A.
A.
Ansangla was very blank.
Ansangla was very blank.
One day.
One day.
B.
B.
A new blank
A new blank
came to Ansangla's school.
came to Ansangla's school.
C.
C.
Ava placed blank
Ava placed blank
and blank
and blank
on the table.
on the table.
D.
D.
Ava played a new blank
Ava played a new blank
with Ansangla.
with Ansangla.
E.
E.
Ansangla cried.
Ansangla cried.
Oh, it is not water.
Oh, it is not water.
It is blank
It is blank.
juice.
Juice.
2.
2.
What activities do you like to do
What activities do you like to do
with your family members?
with your family members?
Write about them.
Write about them.
One has been given as an example.
One has been given as an example.
Example,
Example,
I like to walk with my grandfather.
I like to walk with my grandfather.
A.
A.
I like to blank
I like to blank
with my blank.
with my blank.
B.
B.
I like to blank
I like to blank
with my blank.
with my blank.
3.
3.
Write 5 things you can do by yourself.
Write 5 things you can do by yourself.
One example is provided for you.
One example is provided for you.
I can take a bath by myself.
I can take a bath by myself.
I can blank.
blank.
I can
blank.
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 I can blank.
blank.
I can blank.
blank.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Our eyes do so much for us.
Our eyes do so much for us.
We should take care of our eyes.
We should take care of our eyes.
Put a tick for whatever is good for our eyes.
Put a tick for whatever is good for our eyes.
Put a cross for whatever is not good for our eyes.
Put a cross for whatever is not good for our eyes.
Sit straight while reading or drawing.
Sit straight while reading or drawing.
Sit very close to the TV.
Sit very close to the TV.
Stare at the sun.
Stare at the sun.
Read in good light.
Read in good light.
Eat carrots and lots of vegetables.
Eat carrots and lots of vegetables.
Play for a long time on the mobile.
Play for a long time on the mobile.
Close eyes and splash water on eyelids.
Close eyes and splash water on eyelids.
Eye exercise.
Eye exercise.
Follow the instruction of your teacher
Follow the instructions of your teacher
and repeat the eye movements.
and repeat the eye movements.
Do not move your face and body.
Do not move your face and body.
Only move your eyes.
Only move your eyes.
Look up,
Look up.
look down,
Look down.
look right,
Look right.
look left.
Look left.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Ensure that the children do the eye exercises.
Ensure that the children do the eye exercises.
Tell children how to protect their eyes.
Tell children how to protect their eyes.
Read the words below each picture.
Read the words below each picture.
1.
One.
An ox,
An ox.
an otter,
An otter.
an orange.
An orange.
2.
Two.
A fox,
A fox.
a dot,
A dot.
a top.
A top.
3.
Three.
A clock,
A clock.
a log,
A log.
a frog.
A frog.
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
This introduces young learners
This introduces young learners
to the vowel sound O as in top.
to the vowel sound O as in top.
Help them notice that the word an
Help them notice that the word an
occurs before the words beginning with O
occurs before the words beginning with O
in the above table.
in the above table.